So beautiful. You see, we are here in Limpapa Bridge. Toy. To. Nakato.
Hello, papano.
Shh.
Iyan. Mercy na ka. Mercy na ka. Baby.
So nga na toy kamdo nga nagpatla toy.
Amo ka banan do cellphone na. Thank you papano.
Thank you, Papa Nong!
Panta ko yung mo.
Nakangalang.
Thank you papano.
Thank you, Papa Nong!
Thank you sa libre.
Thank you, brother!
Aligin ka to. Siko.
Thank you sa libre papano.
Thank you, brother! Papa Nong! Ayun na!
So welcome to Limpapa. We are here in the seashore of the Limpapa. And this is the view here. Handito tayo sa Limpapa. Kakain tayo ng turo-turo, isaw, fishball, at marami pang iba. So, andito tayo. Yan, may nag-work doon. Kukuha ng grava. Ayan ang famous Limpapa Bridge. Daming tao. So guys, you can see it's very beautiful here. It's very nice to spend your afternoon here. And then you can see the beautiful view here. This is so beautiful, the color of the clouds and the color of the sky. It's like painting. There you go, it's too beautiful. Okay, I will go back there because it's too beautiful view, and then the image is like a painting. You can see the image here is like a painting. This is the Limpapa Bridge, and there is food court over there, and we are going to eat. We have this place for relaxing, for friends to eat here, there. Ayun, malapit na tayo doon. Tapos kain na tayo. It's amazing. Nandito na yung order natin.
Parit ko na lang sa insos para yun.
Thank you.
Take off lang kuya.
Okay, sige. Nakari papanong. Alam taga ano, Grace.
Royal, kay katoy, talo kayo. Takay sa ba kayo man? Takay sa no gay?
Nice ko.
Takay sa sure ka?
Share ko na.
Nanda kami ta. Nanda kami ta tumalik. Ne, panas. Nanda kami ta, panas gay.
Panas.
Nanda kami ta tu. Yun ni, alingin mama mo no. Hello mama.
No, please.
Say papanong. Thank you.
Alingin. Uy, alingin kami ni. Kasi patayin kami tip ni yung pote. Nili ka ma diyo.
Eh.
Galing si Doya. Pero ano, tininganan na. Nangangan na kami li.